Dentistry is evolving, and patient expectations are evolving with it. Today's patients want more than just treatment during scheduled appointments. They want access to reliable information, clarity about their oral health, and guidance that helps them make informed decisions before, between, and after visits. Dentulu supports this evolution. Our platform connects patient education, online dental guidance, and professional oversight into one cohesive experience. Patients can securely share concerns, ask questions, and access educational resources. Dental professionals remain central, reviewing information, providing guidance, and directing next steps, whether that's preventive care, monitoring, or an in-office visit. Dentulu complements clinical dentistry. It extends care beyond the chair while maintaining oversight and clinical responsibility. This approach improves patient outcomes, encourages preventive care, and enhances workflow efficiency. Dentulu helps practices meet modern patient expectations while keeping professional standards at the forefront. Learn more at dentulupro.com.